Hi guys, today we're going to be making a sunset. To start off, we're going to be needing a piece of paper, a straw, some tape, and 5 bottles of paint. It doesn't have to be like the same as mine. It just has to be it can be any color you want. Just 5 bottles of paint. So we're going to push the paint away and we're going to grab your tape. You're going to take the tape and tape it around the sides. Just like this. Now you're going to do the same thing with the other sides. You're going to go down and then rub it. Then you're going to go on the other side. And then finally you're going to go in the middle. Just like that. Now you're going to take your paper and you're going to face it this way. Now you're going to take your darkest color and you're going to put it on your canvas or paper. It doesn't matter. Today you won't be needing a paintbrush. And then you're going to put your other color right here below it. And then you're going to put your purple. And then you're going to take your pink. And final color, yellow. Okay, so now you're going to take your straw, and what you're basically going to do is you're just going to blow the paint. If this is too hard for you, you can take the paintbrush, or you can just take the straw and you're going to roll it like this. Just like that. Now you can, with your finger, move things around to make them more, you can cover the spaces up. That's what I'm doing right now. You can add finishing touches, you can do whatever you want. Okay, that's good. Just like that. And at the bottom, you can put whatever word you want. You can put basically like a black sunset, whatever you want. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pencil and you're gonna move your painting up. So you have more room. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a palm tree. So you're basically gonna do this, and then another one at the side, And then you're just going to finish that off with X's. Make sure all the X's are connected. Now it's kind of getting to look like a palm tree. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw it from the top down like this. And then you're going to do like this. You're going to do V's. Now you're going to do another one, and you're going to do V's. And then you're just going to keep going until you just like that. Now you're going to basically hold it and you're going to do waves at the bottom. So now you're going to do another palm tree at the other side. Same thing, you're going to do the bottom and then keep going with X. Then you're going to do the V's. We're almost done. We're halfway. You don't actually have to do V's on the palm trees, but you can do actually just lines on both sides, and it's still gonna look like a palm tree. Okay, so now we're gonna make a boat. Then we're gonna draw two people. And then finally a moon. And there you have it. Your own picture. Bye guys, see you in the next video.